video of past indefinite tense, as we have already done present indefinite in the previous videos. So today we'll be discussing when to use past indefinite tense. So whenever you are talking about one time action did in the past, आपको नहीं पता वो action complete हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था, but you did something in the past, उसमें sounds कैसी आती हैं? जैसे मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को मिली, मैंने खाना खाया, मैं मीटिंग पे गई. So such types of things are there when you are not having any kind of idea whether you did it, I mean you completed it or not, but you did it. So that is why we say one time action did in the past. What is the rule for that? Subject. So in the previous video of present indefinite I already mentioned, जब भी आप किसी पर्सन के बारे में बात करते हो उसको हम सब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं. सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, सो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में क्या होता था कि फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करते थे एस और ईएस के साथ, बट हियर सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज बीइंग यूज्ड विद ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स. Either you are talking about plural subject or you are talking about singular subject, सबके साथ ही second form of verb use होती है. Then object, जो भी कार्य आप कर रहे हैं उसको basically हम object बोलते हैं. I mentioned this thing before as well. So I have given you one example here. As I mentioned, there are three types of sentences: affirmative, we call it as positive as well, negative and interrogative. So what will be the positive example, affirmative example? I ate apples. So I here is subject, right? Ate, second form of verb. Eat, ate, eaten. So ate is second form of verb, and apple. Apple is an object. So when we convert this sentence into negative, so present में तो हम क्या करते थे, हम do और does की help लेते थे, but here do की second form क्या हो जाएगी, did. So we will be taking help of did when we will be converting it into negative sentence. I did not eat food. So there is one more rule here. Did not plus verb's first form. Just note it down. Whenever you are writing did, with did we always use first form of verb. After that, when we will be converting the sentence into interrogative, then it will be did I eat apple, question form, because this is a question that we are putting. Did I eat apple? Make sure here it is did. Again, verb's first form will be applicable. I hope you have understood. In present indefinite, first form of verb was there, but in past indefinite, second form of verb will be there, and with all the subjects. I hope this video will be helpful, and I guess you are able to make the difference between what is present indefinite and what is past indefinite. And for any further details, you can ask me your query in the comment box, and in fact I have displayed my number. You can contact me anytime. Thank you so much.